Introduction to Variables in Power Automate. All right, everyone, today we're diving into an incredibly important concept for building more dynamic and powerful flows: variables. Now, you might be familiar with the concept of variables from other programming contexts, but even if you're not, don't worry. I'll walk you through it from the ground up, step by step. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a variable? In Power Automate, a variable is essentially a placeholder that temporarily stores information during the execution of a flow. Think of it like a box that you can put information into, carry around, and use whenever needed. For example, you might store a number, some text, a list of items, or even a more complex structure like a record of a customer order. But why are variables so useful? Imagine you're building a flow, and you need to keep track of some data that changes throughout the process, say, a running total of prices in an invoice, or the status of a task list. Instead of hard-coding these values into each action, you use a variable. This makes your flow not only more efficient, but also much more flexible. You can reuse that variable as many times as you need, and update it as the flow progresses. Variables allow us to manage data across different steps without having to input it manually every time.